Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour, and I'm going to do things a little differently tonight. So we have the canvas covered in Floetrol, and we have a few paint marks on there, but don't you mind that. Okay, let's start with some white, and the white is just Floetrol, alcohol, and paint. Next we have this turquoise. And the turquoise has Floetrol, alcohol, and paint, but it also has a little bit of this in it to get cells. This coconut milk serum from OGX. So, and that's been working really well at getting me cells. Next we have a dark blue. Okay. And lastly we have a light green. Okay, let's layer it again. We're just going to do 1 cup. Okay, some white, some turquoise. I want to fill the cup because it takes a whole cup to fill to cover some blue to cover the canvas. And lastly, some green. And the cup is full. Okay, so the way I'm going to pour this is I'm going to put the canvas at an angle and I'm going to pour it across the top. I've never done one like this before, so I don't know what's going to happen. I know I'm going to waste a lot of paint, so let's get started. We'll start here. Okay, let's see what happens. Ooh, okay. About to lose some paint. Okay, let's bring it back down this way. I'm not seeing much green. Okay, this is good. Now let's bring it back this way. Here, I think I have a little bit left over. Maybe. Okay. This is cool. Now let's get the edges done. Most of the edges are done except for this edge. Interesting. Oh, okay, the corners need doing. Okay, actually, let's see if I can. And if I tilt, what happens? I want to get rid of that corner. Interesting. It's not bad. Except for I messed up that corner over there. Hopefully some more cells will start showing up. Actually, I'll grab some of this and see if I can put it here. That matches better than the white I put there before. Yeah, that's a better match. That's a better match. Much better. Okay, great. Now let's come in for a closer look. Okay, as you can see, when you get closer, we have a lot of cells. Okay, and we have a nice design on the canvas. I like it over here, all the colors coming together. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please comment and let me know if you've done this technique before and if you have any suggestions for how I can do it better. Thank you. Bye.